This is Lucy. I'm Stan Ridgway. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to do a dinner for two tonight, and it's just me and my husband. This is going to be an awesome fish dinner from the Dollar Tree. I grabbed their popcorn shrimp, and we're going to do it in a stir fry. It's going to be awesome, real easy to do, and very quick to assemble. Done in minutes. But first, smash on that subscribe button, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get cooking. Do a Dollar Tree dinner today, and I have in my hand the long grain rice. This is done in 90 seconds, real easy to do. I've done their Spanish rice and their jasmine rice, which is really good. I use these all the time. This is their other stir fry blend. It has all kinds of nice, delicious, big sized pieces of vegetables. We've done it in the pot of water where we steamed it and on the skillet. Today we're going to do it in the microwave. This is going to go into the oven at 425 degrees on a baking sheet with parchment paper. They said to spray it heavily. So we're going to prep this and get it ready for the oven. I have the baking sheet there. And I put a dab of water under it so the parchment paper don't roll. Get this cut. That is what it looks like. Or I recommend finding another place where you get more for your money. This is strictly just for Dollar Tree to test it out and try it. Just going to drizzle oil all over it like it said. I'll go one step further. And I have my garlic and pepper that I picked up a while ago from the Dollar Tree. Just going to drizzle some on. About a teaspoon. This is going to go into the oven. 425 degrees. I have the directions here in my hands, as you see here. And it says to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. I have them right there. I'm going to grab the spray, because it says to spray as well as the oil. I think the oil acts as a crisper on the skin. Because when I do my pork chops, I drizzle about a tablespoon of oil onto the skin of the pork chops once it's coated, and they come out nice and crispy and juicy. So these are ready for the oven, and we're going to pop them in the oven. It's just about preheated. Let's get this in the oven. I have a potato in the oven for something else. Oh yeah, definitely preheated. Center of the rack. Starting with the vegetables first, it said to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and pop it into the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. I went ahead and cut the corner here on the rice, and you just cook it right in the bag at 90 seconds. When that beeps, you're going to take it out and put it into a bowl. Okay, this says you got to put it in 16 to 18 minutes and then add on 2 to 5 minutes if needed. Wasn't very easy to understand. My husband looked at it with me and we were able to figure it out. I'm going to add on 10 minutes because I want to make sure the shrimp is fully cooked. I'll be taking out the vegetables in a moment. There's about 17 seconds. And then I'm going to pop the rice in. And I'm saving all my bags for Dollar Tree empties. Every few weeks I do a video of food reviews of items that we've emptied out from the Dollar Tree so you know what to buy. Those are my Dollar Tree hauls videos. Go ahead and take this out. The shrimp's going to stay in for 10 more minutes. Take the packet. It's by East Regal. There's a lot of rice in here. 8 ounces. If I see these again, I'm going to grab one each again because they come in handy and they're delicious. 90 seconds. And because I put the water into the bowl, I'm going to drain the vegetables get it ready for the plate. Take that out of the microwave just to let it stand for a minute. I'm going to take a bowl out here from the Dollar Tree, of course. Get it right onto the hot plate. Now be careful taking out the products from the microwave because they can be hot. I'll let it stand in the bowl here. Or lean, because it doesn't want to cooperate. We're going to check on the shrimp. Lower the angle of the camera. There's about 8 minutes left here. Make sure my timer's set so I don't forget. Looks like it's cooking pretty well. Let's see if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see that fine. It's getting all nice and crispy and golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and dump the rice into the bowl now. Get everything ready to plate. Not easy tear. I try first, you go by. It's a win-win. I'll show you the rice in a second. The package for Dollar Tree empties. Again, that is what it looks like. And you get a ton of rice, enough for 2 people. I'm going to divvy this up. Perfect for 2 this dinner. My children wouldn't eat it anyway. Maybe just the rice. I'm going to grab a spoon here. Put some on a plate while that shrimp finishes. I'm going to start with the rice. Family of 4, you would need 2 bags of the rice. That is just left over from, I wanted to get them used up. And carefully take the shrimp out of the oven. I'll have the peas and the bell pepper. There. Always use clean hands. I always do. There's a couple minutes left. I'm going to check on the shrimp. Here's what they look like on the plates here. The blue paisley one's mine. My husband's one with the greenery and the yellow bell peppers. I'm going to add the shrimp in a moment as soon as it's done. The bag of vegetables I found in the freezer cleaning it out today. I'm really happy that we got to use it up. If you are going to start from scratch, use an entire bag for your family of 4. 2 bags of rice, and I would suggest 4 to 5 bags of shrimp, unless you can find it on sale cheaper somewhere else. Seafood at the Dollar Tree is not really a good buy for a family of 4 or more, because you have to add on quite a bit to make a complete meal. This is just great for me and my husband when the kids won't eat it, or for a quick lunch for yourself during the day. Don't steer away from it, but make sure if you do a seafood dinner that you buy it where it's the best price. There's about 2 minutes and 40 seconds. I want to take a look at the shrimp again. They are just about done. And they smell really good. I have a pot holder underneath that pan there, the sheet. The shrimp's done. It's going to be hot, so be very careful. 2. There's 1 plate. It's going to be very hot. It's nice and crispy. The fork's not working too well getting this out. You get their hamburger buns at the Dollar Tree, which are really good, and their hot dog buns. And if you get the hot dog buns, you could do a shrimp boat for a quick lunch or dinner. So many options at the Dollar Tree. There is a lot more shrimp than I thought. I'll show you a close-up of the plate. So for a family of 4, you would need 2 bags of the rice, probably 2 more bags of the shrimp, and a full bag of the vegetables. As I said, that was a half a bag that I wanted to get used up. This is perfect for me and my husband. My kids are very picky. They will not eat this. Just the rice, maybe some of the vegetables. They do love vegetables. Carrots is not one of them that they like. We'll let this cool down, and then we're going to try it. Here's another close-up of the plate. And David's plate. Good healthy portions. We're going to go ahead and give this a try. Did you hear that? It's very crispy, the shrimp. This is really good. He's going to try it. Try some of the shrimp first.
Very good.
Try it with a little bit of the rice. We got another winner. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and making this delicious popcorn shrimp dinner from the Dollar Tree. Perfect for 2. If you're going to do a large family with something similar, do your best value. Google where it's cheapest near you before you even drive. And you can research prices online now so you know what to expect ahead of time. Don't forget, when we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, as well as 1 5 items price pack from the Dollar Tree valued at $6.25. If you're new, say hi down below. You have to be a U.S. resident and subscribe. Please spread the word about me to friends, family, neighbors, and colleagues. Also, if you comment all the time, you must be subscribed by U.S. residents. And if you won in the past 60 days, you are not qualified. Before we go, don't forget to smash on that subscribe word, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.